Rail Vikas Nigam Limited (RVNL) is an Indian public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Railways, specializing in the development and implementation of railway infrastructure projects. Established in 2003, RVNL plays a pivotal role in modernizing India's railway network by executing projects related to railway track construction, station redevelopment, and other infrastructure improvements. Pros: Government backing. RVNL benefits from strong support and funding from the Indian government, which is committed to enhancing railway infrastructure as part of its broader transport and infrastructure development agenda. Robust order book. The company maintains a substantial order book, reflecting a steady pipeline of projects. This provides visibility into future revenues and operational stability. Expanding railway network. With ongoing projects to expand and modernize the railway network, RVNL is well positioned to capitalize on the growth in railway infrastructure investment. The government's focus on high-speed rail and metro projects further supports this growth. Experience and expertise. RVNL has extensive experience in executing large-scale railway projects, which enhances its credibility and ability to manage complex infrastructure projects efficiently. Cons: Project execution risks. The nature of infrastructure projects involves risks related to project delays, cost overruns, and regulatory approvals. These risks can impact financial performance and project timelines. Dependence on government contracts. RVNL's revenue largely depends on contracts awarded by the government. Changes in government policy or budget allocations can affect the company's project pipeline and financial stability. Competitive market. The railway infrastructure sector is competitive, with multiple players vying for contracts. Competition from other companies can impact RVNL's ability to secure new projects and maintain profit margins. Economic sensitivity. Infrastructure spending can be sensitive to economic cycles. During periods of economic downturn or fiscal constraints, infrastructure projects may face delays or reductions in funding, impacting RVNL's performance. Conclusion: RVNL presents a compelling investment opportunity due to its government backing, robust order book, and the expanding railway network. However, investors should consider the risks associated with project execution, dependence on government contracts, competition, and economic sensitivity. Evaluating the company's project pipeline, financial health, and market conditions will help in making an informed investment decision.